Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust what shows up on your active leads and your active deals on your dashboard of REImobile. And what we have here is these are actually buttons, and this is a count of all the leads with certain statuses. And so if you click this, you're going to see the different statuses and then the count of leads that are in each of those statuses. So at a glimpse, you can see the leads that you're currently working and what's going on with those. And the way that you set which statuses show up in this count and under this button and under the active deals is by going to your settings, leads, and then details. So settings, leads, details. And here you'll have the statuses. So if you click on this edit status button, you'll see a list of your statuses here that you have in your account. And you'll see these different tags here that show up, whether it's going to show on the dashboard under the leads button, or whether it'll show up on both, or each. So some of these are showing up under the deals, and some are showing up under leads. So you can have them actually show up under both if you want, but typically you don't do that because one status usually represents whether it's like a lead that you're working or a deal that you already have that you're already rehabbing or wholesaling or something like that. So that's how you can tell which statuses are set for those things and which statuses will represent a lead becoming a deal in your account. So as soon as you, so we have it set up here where receding contract is deal. So if we ever change the status of a lead to receding contract, the account, our account in REImobile is going to mark that as a deal. Now that is used, whenever you see this tag here for is deal, that's used for in determining the cost per deal and cost per lead in your marketing analysis within REImobile. So don't confuse it with dashboard deals button. The dashboard deals button here in orange is the one that will show that button with a count on your dashboard, and it'll include that status, any lead with that status. So don't confuse the two. But the way that you edit these is you just double click. So if we wanted to do determining counter offer as a show up under the leads button on the dashboard, we would just choose this one here, this display under leads dashboard button. Click that and hit save changes. And what that'll do is make it now that to where the determining counter offer is now going to show up under that dashboard leads button. And then you can do the same thing if you want to switch it to show up on the deals button. You can do that and then mark whether it's going to show up as a deal if the lead becomes that status for your calculations and analysis of marketing, so that you can see your cost per lead and cost per deal, because that way the system will know that if that status was set, then that lead became a deal, and it'll count that towards the calculations for the cost per lead and cost per deal in your marketing analysis. So now that we added the determining counter offer to the dashboard leads, let me show you where that happens. So if you click done, and then we go back to our dashboard, now under active leads, I'm going to see determining counter offers now shows up and is included in that count. So that's how you change these and work that in the system. It's very powerful, so you get a glimpse of what leads you're currently working, what statuses they are, and then the deals that you're working, what statuses those are. And then for the is deal under the determination for the cost, you go into marketing and then analysis to see your cost per lead and cost per deal.